How to open Capital One Bank Savings Account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top you will see the search box. Over there type in capitalone.com and search for it. With that you will be directed to the official website of Capital One Bank. Capital One Financial Corporation is an American bank holding company specializing in credit cards, auto loans, banking, and saving accounts headquartered in Lynn, Virginia with operations primarily in the United States. Now over here you will find different sections. Head towards this section of checking and savings. Under that you will find different options. Head towards this option of savings. Under savings as well you're going to find different options. Select the account that you want to create. Here I'm going to select this one. I have selected 360 Performance Savings. Now click on this option of Open Account. Let's get started. Now you have to fill some details to create your account, so scroll down and click on the option of Continue. There are 4 steps to be completed to create your account: personal info, identity, terms and conditions, and fund. Go ahead and type in your first name and last name and then click on Continue. Type in your email address and then confirm it and then click on Continue. Now type in your mobile number and then click on Continue. And in the next page, you have to go through the identification process. Likewise, you have to accept the terms and conditions of the bank, and then you have to provide your fund details. Once you complete all these processes, your account will be created. So this way, you can easily create your Capital One savings account. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.